So what we're working with here is a 347. Just got it back from the machine shop. 7 out of 8 of the pistons were not usable. And there were a couple cylinders that were scarred. So we got that all fixed up. They bored it over a little bit, so it's not exactly a 347, but they completely overhauled it. New head gaskets, new pistons, forged pistons might I add. It's got aluminum heads. I'm about to put on the clutch right quick. Had a little trouble getting the pilot bearing in. It did take a little persuasion, a little bit of freezing. All right, so now I'll put on the clutch, and that is a water pump, but this is what I need. So we ran into a teensy little problem here, not with the clutch, but with the pressure plate. So I had the clutch and the alignment tool all fine and dandy, ready to go. Went to put on the pressure plate, and see these threaded holes here? So using my fingers as a measurement tool here, we can see these are not all equal, but the holes for the pressure plate are all equal. Now it is the right diameter. It's just the bolt pattern is not the same. So I was making my way to the front of the engine, see what I'm working with here. And I felt some spider webs. Just to give a little backstory, this whole ordeal started with this Mopar engine. Came out of an old D350, 81 I believe. It's a 360. As you can tell, it sat for a long time. I wanted a project, specifically an old gas engine. Took the whole engine apart with a 13 mil. I'm not joking. Every single bolt on here is 13 mil. And one thing that leads to another, Craig, the owner of the shop, saw me working on the engine. He's like, what are you gonna do with that? I was like, oh, I'm fixing up this motor and want to put it in the car. He's like, well, you got a car? No. Well, engine running? No. And he said, well, I'll cut you a deal. I got a car back here that I don't need anymore. So I bought it from him. And he said it came with the motor, a 347 stroker. But one of his sons put the motor inside of a Jeep, which is in one of our previous videos. And long story short, here we are. Wow. It's turned to a nature documentary. It's got a set of big old Jimbo Willy Bobs in there. Gio, what did you buy?
7.3. 2003, 7.3. 73. Not a 6.0, unfortunately, I don't have a 6.0, but I am using it.
So we already took the motor out.
Motor's out.
We're gonna put the 4-cylinder in, the 4BT.
We're gonna put these rims on there too.
No, these ones. Look at the lip on these.
Got a little bit of oil leak, but 7.3.
Oh yeah, we got the microphones going today.
We increased our funds.
By $3.99. Anything you're gonna need, it's in the box. You need a 7mm. Oh, that is good. Wow.
What are you doing? You're messing up your truck, Gio.
What is that?
Your whole bed's about to fall off, way. Just.
Oh.
It's not broke. It's just
It's just loose.
the bolt. No, tighten it up.
The nut's not on there.
Freaking rounded off all the threads, just rattling right here. Oh, actually, you can probably just. Just put a flatbed on it.
Oh, yeah, that's what I want to get you bed.
What if I had the center block on the wrong side and the truck rolls that way and kills somebody? You gotta tighten it up. You gotta do what you gotta do. You need a bigger washer? You reckon a joker?
That'll do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just noticed it's missing that actual thing here.
The fender liner?
That one has it. That one's broke. Order a new one.
Is it still in neutral? Okay. Oh yeah, wait. Look at this. Look at this. How? How'd you do that?
I don't know how it dropped.
How you do that? How?
I need a discount. Oh my god. That is. Oh, let's roll it. Let's roll it.
Corbin, you've been out of the business for way too long.
I done forgot how to wrench. Oh man, that's like me on a Monday morning.
You got hurt on the first bolt.
I don't even know if it broke it loose. Oh, it's loose. Oh. I freaking broke all the corrosion off his freaking thing. Look, it's turning white already.
Did you catch the corner too?
Oh, I got it right there where all the stuff's missing.
Oh.
That's all on my thumb. Yeah, Gio, I don't know how you even made it home from Beaumont, my boy. Hey, but honestly, your carrier bearing feels tight. So I don't even know if we should really mess with changing it right now, honestly.
Gander at that.
It's not loose, it's just
Rusted. Check and see if there's missing any needle bearings.
well, there's one laying in the bottom of it.
The problem, we already have this drive shaft out. You're still working on tail lights.
The reverse type of these, the smaller one, it doesn't fit. I'd have to get the new connector.
Or Riley's probably has a replacement.
Probably, but I can find you one instead. It's give me some LEDs in there.
Ah, yeah. Fuck all that.
Yeah, it was really bad. We also didn't have the tools for it either.
Like one of the worst huge ones I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah.
I probably never changed one this way. Got some cutters.
One eternity later.
It got hot quick.
No, the keys.
No.
Why not?
I'll bring them out, good.
Gio the mechanic.
I told him to stop, but I guess not.
Oh. Oh, it's moving.
Make it lock.
Oh.
Are you trying 4 high or 4 low? Both. None of them work. Why is it not engaging 4-wheel drive? Is there something wrong with the transfer case or something?